Hey guys, welcome back. John, 1984 Barbecue. Today, you can tell it's a beautiful day outside. We're out here. Today we're going to be doing brisket stir fry on the Blackstone Griddle. You heard me right. Brisket stir fry on the Blackstone Griddle. Let's get at it. Let's get this cook started, shall we? Going to be laying down a little bit of Tang's House of Tang stir fry oil. This stuff is great. Okay, I'll leave a link down in the description box. I can only find it on Amazon, but we're going to lay this down because this is infused with garlic and herbs. So we're going to lay a little bit of some oil down because it's high temp cooking oil. Man, guys, you gotta smell it right now. It's good stuff. All right. And just kind of get our oil spread out there on the Blackstone. All right, now what we're going to do is I found this on sale at my local Kroger store. It's a stir fry kit. And it comes with sesame chili, but I'm not going to use that today because I got something different. But all the vegetables are chopped up and everything, so I'm going to lay these down here. Get that packet, because of the sauce packet, so I'm going to get that out of there. There we go. Alright, got all those vegetables on there, guys, like so. It's got some broccoli, some peas, it's got some cabbage in it too, guys, so we're going to kind of get this to incorporate in there together. I know traditionally you want to use a wok, but we're going to be untraditional today. We're going to do some untraditional stuff here with this Blackstone. Alright guys, I'm going to get this stuff to boil down a little bit, and I'll bring you back for the next step. Vegetables are going there. Now on this other side over here, I'm going to lay down a little bit more of our Tang stir fry oil. And what we're going to do now is I got me some stir fry noodles at my local store. I'm not going to try kaimi, I don't know, I'm not butchering the name. Anyways, they come in these little packs like this. So I got one here. We're going to go ahead, we're going to get our stir fry noodles over here. We're going to get them broke up and going. Guys, this is smelling wonderful already. Just absolutely wonderful smell right now coming off this. Fresh vegetables there. Alright guys, I'm going to move this vegetables over here to the cool side, just to keep them warm for right now. Got our noodles over here going. Add a little bit more of that Tang stir fried to them. These don't take long, guys. It's about 2 minutes on these, and we're going to move them over to the side as well with our vegetables for our stir fry. Now we're going to get our brisket on. I just took about a little bit of the point, a little bit of the flat, and chopped it up into little cubes. Okay, we're just going to rewarm this, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and hit this with a little bit of that Tang stir fry oil. I'm going to go ahead and put our brisket on there. All we're doing is warming that back up, guys. So all we're doing is warming that brisket back up. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this brisket warmed up and everything, and I'll bring you back when we hit the next together. So I'm gonna go ahead, bring our beef and our vegetables together. I'm gonna bring our stir-fried noodles all in here together. Look at all that happiness, guys. Now we're going to add some House of Zhang's stir fry General Tso's sauce. All right, that's what we're going to incorporate this with. I got it at my local store. We're just going to kind of eyeball this sauce, guys. The amount of sauce on here. It says 1 cup, but 3/4 to 1 cup. So we're going to hold up right there. See how much that gives us. Sorry guys, my neighbor's leaving. That's going to be enough sauce for me, guys. That looks pretty good. I'm going to let this kind of just mellow out here. And then when this is done, we'll get it plated up. We'll see you back inside. It's very simple. We use simple ingredients. I had that bag of cabbage, sweet peas, broccoli that I bought at a local store. Got that on the Blackstone with some of that Tang stir-fry oil. Then we had our leftover brisket, and then we had our noodles we got on there. Got all that mixed together, guys. And then now we've got left with this. Look at that. Guys, this smells absolutely incredible, okay? The little, look at that brisket there. Look at all that gloriousness right there, guys. So I'm gonna try to get a bite of everything if I can. A little bit of that peas, cabbage. Grab a little bit of that. Look at that. A little bit of everything there, guys. Cheers. That's really good, guys. Has a great flavor, great taste to it. Man. If you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue, be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. I appreciate you. If you're new to the channel, hey, think about hitting that subscribe button and hitting that little bell notification to let you know when I release new videos. Guys, this is packed with flavor with that brisket I had left over. I did on a cook this past Saturday. It's just all the flavors, that Tang's.